In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text and objects. By the end, you'll know how to bring text and graphics to life in a clean, purposeful way that supports your message rather than distracting from it. Start by selecting the text or object you want to animate. Click directly on a text box, a shape, an image, or an icon to highlight it. If you plan to animate more than one item in the same way, select them together so they'll respond as a unit. Be intentional here. Think about what needs emphasis, the order you want things to appear, and how the animation will guide your viewer's eye. A little planning during selection saves time later. Next, open the animation controls. Go to Insert, then choose Animation. This opens the animation panel or menu where all the controls live. Keep the selected object active so the panel knows what you're editing. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Just look for the animation option within the Insert area to reveal the same settings. Now choose the animation type and trigger. Animation types usually fall into a few helpful categories: entrance to bring something onto the screen, emphasis to add movement to something already visible, exit to remove it, and sometimes motion paths for directional movement. Pick the style that matches your intent. Subtle fades and slides are great for clarity. Flashy effects can be fun, but use them sparingly. Then set the trigger that determines when the animation runs. On-click gives you manual control, perfect for pacing during a presentation. With previous lets it run at the same time as another animation, and after previous staggers it to follow one automatically. Consider the story you're telling and space action so the audience can track each point. Finally, adjust the speed and preview. Use the duration and any delay controls to fine-tune timing. Shorter durations feel snappier, longer ones feel smoother and more relaxed. If you're synchronizing elements, small delays can create a polished cascade without overwhelming viewers. When you're happy with the settings, hit play to preview. Watch for readability, pacing, and whether the motion draws attention to the right place. If something feels rushed or distracting, tweak the timing or choose a gentler effect and preview again. That's it. Select your item, open Insert and Animation, choose the type and trigger, then adjust the speed and preview until it feels just right. Keep animations purposeful, consistent, and clear, and your text and objects will enhance your message beautifully.